When you search for the best Dyson vacuum stand, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Hatyuri Vacuum Stand for Dyson. The Hatyuri Vacuum Stand for Dyson caught my eye with its sturdy design and sleek dark gray finish. Priced at $39.99. It's a popular choice with over 2,000 units sold in the past month and a solid rating of 4.4 stars from 570 reviews. If you want a reliable stand that keeps your vacuum and accessories organized, this is worth a serious look. This stand is compatible with a wide range of Dyson models like the V15 and V12, which means you don't have to worry about whether your vacuum will fit. The heavy-duty base and high-quality metal frame ensure it won't tip over, which is crucial if you have kids or pets running around. The hidden core design is a nice touch too. It keeps everything looking neat without those unsightly wires hanging out. Plus, it has 4 hooks for your accessories, so you can easily grab what you need without digging through a pile. Now, some people complained about the assembly instructions being a bit unclear. Here's the thing though, it's a minor issue that can be worked around with a little patience, and most people find it manageable. If you're not too handy, just take your time and it'll come together. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish and functional storage solution for your Dyson vacuum. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight, as it does have a bit of heft to it, but the stability is totally worth it. Now, if that little assembly issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Hatyuri Vacuum Holder for Dyson. Next up, we have another popular option from Hatyuri, the vacuum holder for Dyson, also priced at $39.99. Like the previous model, it holds a solid 4.4 star rating from 570 reviews. If you're looking to keep your vacuum and its accessories neatly organized, this one's worth considering. This stand is designed for multiple Dyson models, ensuring it fits your vacuum without any hassle. The heavy base is designed to keep the stand stable, preventing it from tipping over during use. The hooks for accessories are a great addition, allowing you to have everything in one place. I genuinely liked that it features a hidden power cord design, which is a huge plus for maintaining a clean appearance in your space. However, some users pointed out that it might not be as sturdy as they hoped. Here's the thing, if you're using it in a low-traffic area, it should hold up just fine. But if you have kids running around, you might want to consider something with a heavier base. This is perfect for you if you want an organized and neat setup for your Dyson. Skip this one if you have a very active household where things could get knocked over easily. For the price point, it's a great organizational tool. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for enhanced stability. Product number 3, Hatyuri Ergonomic Vacuum Stand. The Hatyuri Ergonomic Vacuum Stand is another stellar option, also available for $39.99. With the same impressive 4.4 star rating, it's definitely catering to Dyson users who appreciate a well-organized space. If you want a stand that supports more ergonomic storage, this might be the one. What's cool about this model is its design. It includes a thoughtful arrangement for storing suction heads without interference with the vacuum itself. The hidden power cord management is a nice touch that keeps everything looking tidy. It's also made from high-quality materials, ensuring it remains durable and doesn't wobble easily. However, some reviews mention that the assembly can take a bit longer than expected. I'll be real with you. If you're in a rush, this could be somewhat frustrating. But most users find it a satisfying project, and the end result is well worth the time. This is perfect for you if you want a stand that makes it easy to grab your tools while keeping everything organized. Skip this if you're in a hurry or looking for something that requires zero assembly. For the money, it's an excellent organizational investment. Now, if that assembly time is a concern, don't worry because the next product is all about quick setup. Product number 4, Hatyuri Heavy Duty Vacuum Organizer. Next, we have the Hatyuri Heavy Duty Vacuum Organizer, also at $39.99 and holding a solid 4.4 star rating. If stability is your main concern, this stand could be the one to consider. This model is built with a heavy-duty base and a strong metal frame that ensures your vacuum won't tip over. It fits several Dyson models and features 4 hooks for your accessories. making organization a breeze. Plus, the hidden core design keeps your space looking neat and tidy, which is a game changer for anyone who hates clutter. That said, some users have reported that it can take a little effort to get it assembled correctly. I totally get that frustration, but once it's up, it offers excellent support and organization. This is perfect for you if you prioritize stability and easy access to your vacuum accessories. Skip this if you need something that's quick to put together without a bit of effort. It still offers great value for its price. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, let's check out the last product on our list. Product number 5, Hatyuri Budget-Friendly Vacuum Stand. Finally, we have the Hatyuri Budget-Friendly Vacuum Stand, priced at just $29.99 and boasting a very respectable 4.6-star rating from 1,600 reviews. If you want a reliable stand without breaking the bank, this one is worth a look. This stand fits various Dyson models and is made of high-quality, full metal, ensuring it remains stable. It's designed for easy assembly, which is a huge plus if you're short on time. Plus, it keeps all your attachments organized, which is essential for any Dyson owner. However, some users mentioned that it might not hold up as well as the more expensive options in high-traffic areas. If you have a busy household, this could be a deal breaker. But if you're using it in a less hectic space, it should work just fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable stand that gets the job done. Skip this if you need something super sturdy for a bustling home. For the price, it's a fantastic deal that helps keep your vacuum tools organized. So there you have it. From the sturdy Hatyuri vacuum stands to the budget-friendly option, there's a perfect match for every Dyson owner. Whether you prioritize stability, easy assembly, or price, one of these stands will help you keep your space organized and clutter-free.